Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can sign up for your Chase account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Chase account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in chase.com and make a search. The official page of Chase account will appear on the screen. Click on Not Enrolled Sign Up option. Now on the next page, choose whether it's personal, business or commercial account. Enter your card or application number and SSN number. In case if you don't have your SSN number, click on No Social Security Number option. Enter your date of birth, create your username and tap on Next. Follow the instructions till the end and you'll be able to sign up for your Chase account quickly and easily just in few steps. After you're done signing up for your Chase account, go to your homepage and enter your username and password and tap on Sign In. Tick mark on the box that says Remember Me in case if you want your ID to be remembered next time you log in. In case if you want to use your token, tick mark on the box that says Use Token. In case if you don't remember your username or password, tap on the option that says Forgot Username or Password option. This is how you can sign up for your Chase account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.